Ever felt like your money's slipping through your fingers? Like you're constantly chasing your tail, trying to make ends meet? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with managing their finances, and that's where YNAB comes in. But how much does it actually cost to use this popular budgeting tool? Let's dive in and find out. The basics of YNAB. Before we get to the price tag, let's quickly recap what YNAB is. It stands for You Need a Budget, and it's a budgeting app designed to help you take control of your finances. The core principle of YNAB is to give every dollar a job. This means you allocate every dollar you earn to a specific category, whether it's rent, groceries, or entertainment. Why use YNAB? But why would you pay for a budgeting app when there are plenty of free options out there? Well, YNAB offers a unique approach that sets it apart. It's not just a tool to track your spending, it's a mindset shift. YNAB empowers you to make intentional decisions about your money, helping you achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. The cost of YNAB. Now, let's get to the big question: how much does YNAB cost? As of current year, YNAB offers a subscription-based model. You can choose between a monthly or annual plan. Monthly plan: this is a flexible option that allows you to pay a monthly fee. Annual plan: if you commit to a year-long subscription, you'll get a significant discount compared to paying monthly. Is YNAB worth the cost? The real question isn't just about the price tag, but whether YNAB is worth the investment. Many users swear by YNAB, claiming it has transformed their financial lives. By helping you become more mindful of your spending, saving more, and reducing stress, YNAB can ultimately save you money in the long run. The YNAB community. One of the best things about YNAB is its vibrant community. You can connect with other users, ask questions, and share tips and tricks. This community can be a valuable resource, providing support and encouragement as you work towards your financial goals. So, is YNAB worth the cost? Ultimately, the decision is up to you. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and building a brighter financial future, YNAB could be a worthwhile investment. By giving every dollar a job, you can achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.